Installing the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller is easy. After watching this video, you'll be up and running in about 15 minutes. Make sure you have Wi-Fi where you want to install the controller. Then gather up all the necessary tools. In the box, you'll find the smart controller, instructions, screws with drywall anchors, and the power adapter. Note that the controller is not weatherproof, so if you want to install it outdoors, you'll need a weather-resistant enclosure. You can pick one up at Rachio.com. Test all the sprinkler zones before taking down your old controller. It's a good idea to know any zones that may need repairs before proceeding. Unplug the old controller and take a look at the wiring. Take a picture so you can attach the wires to the correct zones in the Rachio 3. Now unhook everything and remove the old controller. There's a template for the screw positions on the last page of the installation guide. Make sure the wires can reach the drill icon, and verify the bottom holes are level. Mark the center of each hole on the wall, then install the drywall anchors. Drill a hole for each anchor and gently tap them into place. Remove the magnetic faceplate to reveal the 3 mounting holes and the terminal block. Hang the controller. Then use the reference photo you took earlier to attach each zone wire to the appropriate terminal. Simply lift the lever and insert the wire. M is the master pump if you have one, and may have been labeled P on your old controller. The C terminals are all the same, you can use any of them. You're ready to power up. The light bar will flash. When you see the amber light, launch the Rachio app and connect the controller to your Wi-Fi network. Visit the app setup video to learn more about this process. A blue pulse across the whole bar means your Rachio 3 is online and ready for use. Now you can use the Rachio app to customize your zones, optimize your watering schedule, and so much more. If you need any help, simply tap the question mark in the app. Visit Rachio.com/support for tips, tricks, and techniques for making the most of your Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller.